Good morning, Year 5. So today we are looking and carrying on this week with comparing numbers with up to 3 decimal places. So again, you should now know the decimal places as tenths, hundredths and thousandths. Please remember, don't say tens, okay, or hundreds or thousands, okay? It's a totally different place value. It's really important we say our tenths, hundredths, thousandths, okay? And again, this is a skill of knowing that thousandths are actually smaller than our tenths, okay? And our hundredths are smaller than our tenths, and our tenths are bigger than our hundredths, and so on, okay? So we're comparing numbers. So we're looking at which is bigger, ordering numbers, seeing which is smaller, all sorts of questions like that today. So let's have a look. Which number is larger? Okay, so we're looking at which number is larger, 0.613 or 0.631. And I'm going to add in there, part of the question, I'm going to add in there y, or prove it. Prove it. Okay, we all like a good prove it. Prove it. Okay. So I can say, right, I know which is larger. Well, that's quite easy, 0.631. Yep, right, well done, super. But what about proving it? How can I prove that number is bigger? And again, of course, I can't just say, as I would in school, I can't just say, yeah, because it is. It just is, Mr. Bates. That's right. It just is bigger. Okay, there is a reason why that is bigger. So thinking about 0.631 is the larger number as it has 3 hundredths compared to 0.613 only has 100. Okay, I could add in there 0.613 is a larger number as it has 3 hundredths compared to. They do have the same amount of tenths. So this is why I moved to the hundredths column. Okay, so that's a nice prove it. I have then looked at the two answers and I have proven that 0.631 is larger. So, quick reminder. We've got greater, less than, and equal signs. Okay, so thinking about, we're going to use those signs. Now, always remember the crocodile. Okay, the crocodile always eats the larger predator, the larger prey. Okay, so always really hungry. It's not going to go for a small piece, a small prey. It's going to go for the larger prey. So we've got the open crocodile here. So less than, greater than, and equal. Okay, when it's balanced, nice and equal. Okay, so that's what those symbols mean. Bit of a question here. Have a thought at home. Does having more decimals mean it's a bigger number? So does this number with all these decimals, does it make it a bigger number than this, which has only got 3 decimals? Which is the larger number? So if I was to put those there, comparing, I know for a fact some children straight away would do this, would say that is greater than that because, well, look how many decimal places it got. It's clearly a bigger number. Well, actually, if you look at the value of the digits, this is the bigger number. Even though it's only got 3 decimal places, it's the bigger number because tenths is the same. Our hundredths, we've got 7 hundredths here and 4 hundredths here. So clearly, this is the bigger number. So having a look today at our work, we have got here comparing decimals. Okay, so you can see there at the top a couple of examples of the work. Okay, if you get stuck, just have a look at those for place value and knowledge. Again, if you are bronze, you need to start on A. Silver, I would like you to start on A as well, and gold start on B. C is your platinum challenge. Okay, so as we go through, got them there, and then again, A, bronze, and silver, gold for B, and C is your platinum challenge. I know you are all more than capable, okay, of moving through these challenges. Yeah, I know we both believe in you that you can all succeed at doing this today. Just make sure you don't overcomplicate it. You have your place value chart in front of you. So remember that you've got your place value chart in front of you. You've got your decimal point. You've then got your tenths, then your hundredths. Okay, hundredths. Oh, let's get it right. Hundredths and thousandths. Okay, make sure you've got that in front of you. Then you could put the two numbers there. So I could say, right, for example, point. I've got, well, that's got 1/10. That's got 200ths. That's got 3,000ths. Okay, super. And here I've got, oh, that's got 1/10 as well. That's right. That's got 100, and that's got 4,000ths. So let's have a look. Which is larger? Well, they've got the same tenths. That one's got more hundreds, so that number is larger. It doesn't matter that this thousandth is larger, okay, because this hundredth is larger. So make sure you write down your decimal point, tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and then you can write your numbers underneath and then compare them.